So, ladies and gents, here we are at my Peugeot 306 diesel turbo, and yeah, it looks like a complete state. As you can see, no bodywork damage, and yeah, side skirts missing, and not just that, look at that, it's as if it's on a abandoned vehicle. And yes, we have a front mounted cooler on it, straight through exhaust system, and yes, this engine needs a good old overhaul. But today's job, what we're going to do is do the clutch on it and pump up this tyre as well. Look how low it is. Changing that rear axle, by the way. So, interior wise, it's a state as well. We have the Mazda RX-8 seats. The steering wheel is a nice, tiny snap-off wheel. Got my blue gauges there. Yes, it's all about the positive vibes, ladies and gents. Here's the engine bay. Not as clean as when me and my mate first done it, but yeah, it's coming back on the road. Can't wait. Gonna be my daily again. Shows that there's no water or nothing, but listen to the state of her. So, here she is on the ramp, no work, well, had issues. The locking wheel nut was here, as was literally corroded on, so had to get the welder out. Same thing's gonna happen to this one. Check this out. Mechanic. What an awesome jumper. Yeah, this is the place. A person who fixes shit you can't. So true. So yeah, this is what happened to the lock and key. Look at the state of it. Right, so far, the sketch. Drive shafts are out. these are the old crappy coilovers. They're gone. Consider them sacked out of here. This is all being taken apart, putting brand new wishbones on here. It's absolutely filthy here. Look at the state of it. Like, no gearbox fluid even came out. It's all getting an overhaul, ladies and gents. Wishbones getting changed. Be getting some new drop links and everything, but yeah, thankfully wheels are off. Those need a clean. They all need the good old blessings, you know, but that's what it's here for. And not just that, just remembered, even the rear is going to be getting changed. So this rear axle, it's discs, not discs, it's drums at the moment. I'm putting discs onto it. But yeah, keep tuned on this project. And yeah, hopefully you'll see it at the show soon. So, current situation. We have a brand new clutch in. She's getting there, slowly but surely. Right. Show you the gearbox. Right, you D-turbo owners, like us D-turbo owners, absolute filthy. Look at that disgusting gearbox. So, as you can see, the wheel was back on. Was making progress. Yeah, haven't put the coilovers back on yet, but had the clutch all back in, and yeah, guess what? It's leaking. Hiya, what we're gonna do? Back to the drawing board. Right, ladies and gents, I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it for all you ladies and gents. Please, please do hit that subscribe button down there. It's the Peugeot 306. And yes, there's going to be a part 2 of this, obviously, because I'm not finished. And yeah, as we're going through the project and building it, we've just been coming up with more problems and why it's not running right and so. So there's still a lot more to do. And I'm going to be putting more of it up for you, ladies and gents. Keep tuned on this one. And yeah, comment, hit that subscribe button, turn the bell notification on so you can see when the next video is uploaded. Peace, bless, love everybody.